Are you doing everything right for your body, eating well, exercising, and suddenly in midlife, nothing seems to work that it's used to? Maybe your energy is low, your sleep feels off, your body is changing in a ways that don't make sense, and no one really explained why. What many women don't realize is this: your body is not broken and nothing actually wrong with it, but it's changing. Hi, I am Gulnara Askerova. I am Midlife Body Rebuild Coach, and I help women understand what is happening in their body during this stage of life and how to support it in a way that it helps. And I've been there myself a few times. What I see all the time is this: capable, disciplined women who are used to figure out things out, suddenly feel stuck in their own bodies. They used to be able to make a few changes, clean up their routine, move a little bit more, and their body would respond. But now they try harder and get less back. So they start questioning themselves. Oh, maybe I am not disciplined enough. Maybe I need to push harder. Maybe I just need to be more consistent. Maybe I need another plan. But that is usually not the real problem. The real issue is that your body not failing you. It has simply stopped responding and the strategy you are using. And in midlife, that is matter. Because what worked before is not always what your body needs now. That's why I do the work I do. I help women rebuild their relationship with their body in this season of their life by understanding what is it actually going underneath the surface. Not just looking at the one symptom, not just chasing one number in the scale, but looking at the whole pictures: your energy, your stress, your sleep, your habits, your daily routine, your body's response to the way you eat, you move, and live your life. Because when the body changes, the solution is not always more. Not more pressure, not more restriction, not more starting over. Sometimes the answer is in different approach. In my work, we don't focus on doing more or trying harder. We focus on understanding your body so you can start working with it instead of fighting. Most of the women I work with are not beginners. They already tried the different approaches, changing how they eat, exercising more, following plans, being consistent. They know what to do. They have done it before, only now their bodies is not responding the same way. And that's where the frustration comes in. They feel confused and tired of guessing. They find themselves repeating the same cycle. They're trying something, be good for a while, get a little or no results, and then feel discouraged and now you won't want to start again. And that cycle comes repeating. That's what I do. I help to break this cycle. Together, we will look what actually happening in your body right now, where the disconnect may be in what you need to shift first. Then we rebuild from there, step by step, in a way that feels realistic, supportive, and sustainable. So instead of constantly asking, what's wrong with me? You can begin asking, what does my body need now? And that shift change everything because the goal is not to force your body back into the old version of you. The goal is to understand how to support the body you have now with more clarity, more trust, and direction that actually fits this stage of your life. If that resonates with you, you can scroll down or up, request call, or send question, and we start conversation. We will explore why things may not be responding the way they used to and what your next step could look like. You don't need more information, ladies. You need the right approach for your body now.